He has the hot song for the Christmas with Brick Palm Brick. Let's meet St. Thomas-based dancehall artist Skillibeng in our Up Next segment.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
Brick palm brick, brick palm brick. When me I use my chopper phone, no chatting a lot. No ramp with me mother food, Spanish town, foreign account.
The Skillibeng bring to the table musically is just a new style, new flow. You know, just something with the people have never see it. So it's just a new beginning for me and the people them here in terms of me. So the people them like what them hear and we just continue to give them that. Really I do music from an earlier stage of life, from a baby stage, but you know, seriously, when I start to record and start go through the regular and start master the craft on a level, you know, what I say about 7 years. So it take a really good little while for the mainstream catch along. All I do is just continue to create good music and go for the people them ears. Just listen what them want, you know, and try to produce that.
The thing can't too loud, but I'm a clock boot fast and move out. On a school bus, the young I move like when you. Yeah, my gun, which part of the union? Look more at the studio.
My real name is M1 Warmington. You know, I'm originally from Erie Castle, born. But you don't know, we move, got a license retreat from a younger stage of life, and then from this we continue on. We got a license school, license primary school, and then after that I go Marantby High School. Finish Marantby High School with 9 CXE subject, and then, you know, I move on from Marantby High School for child. I look a 6th form thing and seafood, but it never took, because you don't know, we like the music, and the street that take on to it for a longer time too, but we just never, I do it like now, you see?
Brick palm brick, brick palm brick, brick palm brick, brick palm brick, brick.
I find music easy, and music would just be an easy way to make money for me. So anybody would like an easier way to make money. You understand? So music is just because it's a natural thing. Since I met the link with Claims Record, they don't know, big up Xaymaca. It's a different level. And music now we're gone pan, and this would be my high point. When I really reach a high point yet still, but the highest point now, I just where we reach right now, because you can see the street, I take on to the thing fully. The beat have a lot to do with it, you know, brick palm brick. The beat have a lot to do with the song. And everything else after that is just the whole put together. You understand? I just put what I hear from the rhythm on the beat, and it just makes sense. So, you know, I was really an entertainment person from a longer time. And, you know, usually in a dance group and we try for football. Just everything where I could, you know, I could do with a youth we indulging, and Skillibeng is just all around. But mainly a lyrical artist where the people them need to look out for. My favorite artist is Vybz Kartel still, in a longer time. So my life of collaborated Vybz Kartel.
The link big, hey. Which bank me fi use now? No far distance, car fi me town. Me get a France check big like Kiss Town. Brick palm brick, brick palm brick palm.
Up Next is brought to you by Magnum Tonic Wine.
That was Skillibeng in our Up Next segment. Jamaican rapper Bakersteez has this week's music video premiere. Here's Relay. Christmas is in the air, guys. It's Christmas time.
You already know it go. Run it up like a relay. You saying for the lane I'm in. When I walk in like, oh, that's him. LV millionaires for the shades I'm in. DJ, make it replay. Champagne in my system. Pop champagne for the pig and then pop champagne for the pig and then loud in my brain, got my brain on tilt. Bitch, I'm from the line, we don't use no fist. Gun in my talk, we don't talk with lips. Uptown, I live. Came with nothing, wanna leave with things. A crib with a pool for the day ones then. She say I'm a fool for the life I live. Tattoos on my neck over all my limbs. Pablo with the pots and the metrics. Whip it till I get a new left wrist. Had to level up, I need a leverage. I will never dish you for a next bitch. All my time is invested. Money on my mind, we connected. Can't waste no time, it's expensive.
iPhone 11, crack up already, got me rich.
Run it up like a relay. You saying for the lane I'm in. When I walk in like, oh, that's him. LV millionaires for the shades I'm in. DJ, make it replay. Champagne champagne and I might system. Pop champagne for the pagan. Pop champagne for the pagan. Pop champagne for my day ones.
After the break, we get you into the Carnival spirit and we have more benefits of drinking water. Pree Dis returns after the break.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.